Welcome to e-learning platform of Christ College. Now we discuss about pollution. In this class, we mainly discuss about different types or major type of pollution. First, we discuss the major type of pollution. There are mainly different type of pollution, including water pollution, air pollution, land pollution, and noise pollution. Noise pollution is otherwise known as physical pollution. In this group of physical pollution, another type of pollutant is known as light. Light is also a pollutant. There is an unwanted light is pollution. First, we discuss air pollution. Air pollution is defined as is the introduction of particulates, biological molecules, or other harmful material into the Earth's atmosphere, causing disease, death to human, or damage to other living organisms such as food crop or the natural or built environment is known as air pollution. Or unwanted material influence the air pollution. The substance that cause pollution is known as pollutant. Simply, pollution is an undesirable change in the content. The major type of air pollutant including carbon dioxide, that is CO2, sulfur oxide, SOx, nitrogen oxide, that is NOx, carbon monoxide, CO, particulate matter, that is PM. These are the main type of air pollutant. And next we deal with sources of air pollution. There is the main sources including emission from power stations, emission from industrial process, vehicular emission, emission from burning solid waste, emission from natural sources such as volcanic eruption and forest fire. Nowadays, large amount of pollutions or pollutants are coming from industrial and automobile areas. Now we deal about how to control this type of air pollutions. There are different methods to control air pollution. First one is standard for air. Then laboratory equipments, including ambient air monitoring stations, portable gas analyzer, and second one is the control measures is for smoke control action plans. So there are the real-time monitoring of air quality will helpful for preventing air pollution. Next is the water pollution. Water pollution refers to the contamination of water bodies. These may include lake, river, ocean, aquifers and groundwater. That means the contamination or undesirable change in the component of water is known as water pollution. The major water pollutant including organic contaminants, that is mainly detergents, herbicides, pesticides, etc. Then inorganic contaminants like heavy metals, ammonia, etc. And third categories of major pollutant is the solid waste, that is including plastic and unwanted food or food waste, etc. Next type of air water pollution is the thermal pollution. That is a discharge of warm water into the water body by factories or nuclear power reactors. Large amount of thermal pollution will be occur in near to the nuclear power station because nuclear power station consume or use large amount of water and there is a heat exchange process. There are large amount of thermal pollution will be occur. Then sources of water pollution, that's including sewage, runoff of pesticides and fertilizers, solid waste disposal, that including landfills. Landfills means the site that dump or engineered structures for the dumping of waste. Untreated effluent from industrial and other activities, chemicals and oil spill are the major sources of water pollution. And different techniques to identify the water pollution including the water quality parameters. That is water quality parameters including temperature, pH, conductivity, total dissolved solid, total suspended solids, biochemical oxygen demand, chemical oxygen demand, and coliform presence, determination of coliform presence. Next type of pollution is a land pollution. Land pollution is otherwise called soil pollution. Land pollution refers to the deposition of solid or liquid waste material on land or underground in the manner that can contaminate the soil and groundwater, threaten public health, and cause unsightly conditions that cause nuisance. That is called land pollution. That's land is polluted by human or natural activities known as land pollution. The main sources of land pollution including domestic solid waste including the dumping of garbage, rubbish, trash, etc. And next type of pollutant is construction and demolition waste, agricultural waste that is coming from agricultural activities, and last type of source of land pollution is the industrial waste. Next type of pollution is noise. Noise is generally defined as an unwanted sound. Unwanted sound is only a noise. Some type of music is not a noise pollution. Sound affects man's physical, physiological, and social activities. Noise may be continuous or intermittent and may be of high frequency or low frequency. Low frequency as well as high frequency noise will be conduit for noise pollution. The different sources of noise pollution including aeroplanes, industrial production, barking of dog or moving of vehicles, horn, etc. are the major sources of air pollutant. Then next is the health effects of noise pollution. Here the main effects of noise pollution including hearing loss, stress, high blood pressure, sleep loss, distraction, productivity loss, and its noise sometimes cause irritability, headache, etc. Then how we control noise pollution? An integrated approach is adopted towards noise pollution control through mass sensitization, enforcement of the existing noise regulations, use of noise abatement technologies, and research in novel technology for the control of noise. These are the main type of pollutant. In this class, we deal with about an overview regarding different type of pollution, that is water pollution, air pollution, land pollution, and noise pollution. The details regarding this type of pollution will be coming soon. Thank you.